Let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. This is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has her own deployment. Go to the DNS management page. Turn to the second page. Click on openresty.net to see how a DNS application works and how it is configured. First, you can see the DNS record mapping chart, which clearly shows the DNS resolution status in different regions. You can choose different subdomains here. You can use this switch to toggle the mapping chart on or off. After clicking the Add DNS Record button, a new record shows up in the list. You can select the type of the record and enter the subdomain of the record, such as blog. You can restrict the client addresses that can resolve this record. Any means do not restrict. Restrict by CIDR. For example 192.168.1.124. You can also choose the region here, such as Singapore. We do not have any restrictions this time. Here is the resolution result. You can enter the IP address directly. You can also choose one of the Edge's gateway clusters. For example, AWS London. This is the expiration time of the record. You can select different time units for it. Here you can switch between primary and backup records. The backup record will be used if the primary record is missing or fails the health check. OpenResty Edge also performs a health check on DNS records, which ensures that only available results are returned. After you finish the configuration, click the button Add. Now let's check the IP address of the gateway node in the DNS record that we just configured. As you see, the IP ends with .240. Now use the dig command to do the DNS lookups. The result shows that the IP of the gateway node matches the one in the gateway cluster that we chose. To get multiple results, you can add multiple DNS records. Click the button Add again. Enter the domain name blog. Select another gateway cluster, AWS US East. Click to add this record. The domain blog.openresty.net has 2 DNS records now. Now go to the page gateway cluster and check the IP of AWS US East. The IP ends with .84. Use the dig command to do the query again. The result confirms the expected outcome. You don't need to create all DNS records manually. This button allows you to create a DNS plan based on the geographic location automatically. Now, let's continue the DNS configuration. Select the tab Authoritative DNS Servers. Here we can configure the result of SOA. We will use Google Domains as an example to show how to resolve the DNS domain name server to Edge. Select the tab DNS. Select Global DNS Settings. Add glue record, enter the domain name and Edge node IP. Go back to the previous page. Then select Custom Name Servers. Click to Manage Name Servers. Enter the domain names that we configured in the global DNS settings. Click this button to switch to Custom Domain Name Server. You have successfully configured Google Domains. Let's go back to Edge Admin and continue with the DNS configuration. The tab User Group is used for access control. That's what I'd like to cover today. If you like this video, please follow us on YouTube. Thank you.